deh, lupa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Merdeka. Al-Mahmud Allahu Jalla Jalalu wal musalla alaihi Muhammad wa alu al-mad'u lahu wal bilad wa rijalu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah amma ba'du. Dear Master of Ceremony, respected teacher, and my fellow junior from Admiral, good morning, everyone. Can you Can you show your enthusiasm to me? From Admiral. Repeat it. I mention your name of badge and you show me your motto of your badge, okay? Admiral? That's great, okay. Well, all praise to Allah that has give us opportunity to gather here in this beautiful place, and salawat and salam upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness into the brightness right now. Dear brothers, standing me here, I want to talk about the previous agenda that celebrated by us, which is Al-Zaytun's 25th anniversary. Al-Zaytun 25th anniversary. But now, before that, I want to ask you, do you still remember the last birthday your mom gave you a present? Yes, you. Do you still remember the last birthday present from your mom? Or yes, you. Do you still remember your friend gift to you on your birthday? Okay, but today I won't talk about our birthday. I won't talk about my birthday or your birthday, but I'm gonna talk about Al-Zaytuns. Because yesterday, Al-Zaytun turns to 25. You should know that. Talking about Al-Zaytun for me is the perfect place. A perfect place with the boundless land of trees, with the fresh oxygen. And it gives a cozy place, not for us as a human, but also for a herons as an animals. It gives both the cozy place for us as a human and herons as an animal. Complete education facilities also support us to make a better quality education. And after spending 25 years of education, peace and tolerance, also culture development, Al-Zaytun have a further long-term visions, which are health, smart, and human society. Why these three factors? Why smart, health, and human society? Because we need to be healthy. We need to be healthy because health is the center. If we have a healthy condition of body, we can be productive. And when we are productive, we can build a smart society. A smart society also needs a productive person to improve the development of technology. After that, The reason why we have to be a human society is to bring a compassion in the surrounding people around us. Besides, Al-Zaytun's tomorrow is all up to us. Is all up to us, including the academic and workers, which are Sheikh Al-Zaytun, exponents, teachers, and students. Students, yes, students. We are students. We are talking about ourselves. We are talking about ourselves, what we have given to our alma mater, what we have given to Al-Zaytun, what we can do for our beloved school, and or how we contribute to this Al-Zaytun. Whether you become, whether you reach all of achievement, whether you reach the high scores of the excitement, dear brothers, time has brought Al-Zaytun to 25 years, a quarter of millennial. Time has brought Al-Zaytun's autonomous development, and now I'd like to say happy 25th anniversary to Al-Zaytun. As a part of Al-Zaytun, in this special occasion, I'd like to call you to improve the quality of learning. I'd like to call you to be more active in any school program. I'd like to call you to make a change of a better you from yourself. As a student, for the pride of our institution. Anyway, thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for paying attention to me. And I'm sorry if there are any mistaken. I hope we learned something new today. Thank you. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.